All right, thanks for joining me. This is lesson 13.1. We are talking about perimeter. Okay, so let's read this. Julio is putting a stone border around his rectangular garden. The length of the garden is 7 feet, so the length is 7. The width of the garden is 5 feet, okay? So how many feet of stone border? So you're doing this with landscaping. As you can see over here, here's his beautiful garden. He put the stone around here. So the length, if this side is 7, and this side is identical, that must also be 7. And then over here, if this side is 5, then this side that's identical to it also has to be 5. So there's two ways to do perimeter. We'll do the first one here. With perimeter, remember, add all sides. Okay. So if I go 5 plus 5 equals, you got it, 10. And then 7 plus 7 equals, 14. Then I have to add the two sides to get the total, because I need the total amount. So I do 0 plus 4 is 4, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 24 feet of stone. Okay, so if I'm going to Home Depot, I need to know that I need 24 feet. Otherwise, I'll end up short or with way too much stone. So that's why perimeter is important. There's another way of looking at this is over here. As you can see, there is a multiplication formula that you can add into this too. So if I look at this box here, it is telling me I can do the length times 2. So I can do, here's our length. Our length is 14, I guess. So 14, so if I do 14 times 2, I got 4 times 2 is, it's 8. 1 times 2 is, so I got 28 just right there. Or I could have done 14 plus 14. Now the width is 18 here, so 18 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16, carry your 1. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3, so 36. So now, as you see right here, this lovely plus sign right there, I've got to add those two. So 28 plus 36, I've got 8 plus 6 is, 14. Carry the 1 is 2. Plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So the total is 64. I can plug these in. So I have 2 times 14 and 2 times 18. I got 28 plus 36, which equals 64. So the answer is 64. Now, if we look over here, we can do it either way. I can add or I can times. I know 4 plus 4 is 8, so that one's easy. And then 16, maybe timesing by 2 for some of you is easier with bigger numbers. So 6 times 2 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Now I'm not done because I have to take that 32 and plus the 8. 32 plus 8 is, you got a 0. Carry is 40. Okay, over here, I'm going to put a 42 here and a 110 here, so I know the sizes. 42 plus 42, I know is 84. And then 10 plus 10 is 20. And then 1 plus 1 is 2, so 220. I've got to add those together, and I get 4. 8 plus 2 is 10, so put your 0 here, carry your 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, so this one's 304. 304 meters. Now, this one's the exception to the rule. If it is a perfect square like we see right, not that my drawing of it was perfect, but as you see right there, you can just times the two sides. It's the only time you can do it in perimeter if you have a square. So 4 times 4, because it's the same answer as if you add all the sides. So 4 times 4 is 16. So that is 13.1 today, dealing with perimeter. Join us next time for 13.2 when we deal with area. Ciao.